Hey guys, it's Silver Daisies. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys two secret ingredients that I use to grow my eyebrows. Now, they're actually not very secret, but people don't know about them, and I even discovered them by mere accident. Now, the first one is the OG Vaseline. Now this is like, Vaseline, like this is the OG, like, that you can use it for your skin, you can use it for your lips, or just moisturizers. What I didn't know is that you can use it for your eyebrows as well, to grow them thicker and darker basically. Now, before I used to go to school, as you're putting it on your lips, you're moisturizing your lips. So I was like, okay, whatever's left over on my finger, I used to just like slick the eyebrows so they go in one direction. And then I noticed like they're growing thicker and darker. And I was like, wait a minute, what is happening? And then I went to Uncle Google, and Uncle Google was like, no, like Vaseline can grow your eyebrows. So I was like, okay, I see you. I see you. So then I continued doing it, and then my eyebrows were like full and thick. I didn't have very sparse eyebrows to begin with, but the thing is, I had a problem where there was this gap right at the end of my eyebrows where no matter which way I brushed it or like I did anything to it, it would just not fill up. And back then I wasn't really into makeup, so I didn't know about like putting it with like eyebrow pencil and everything. But then I moved on and I discovered the powers of the great coconut oil. And coconut oil is like, there is nothing that you cannot do with coconut oil. So coconut oil actually works a bit faster than Vaseline here, and it does the same thing basically. I don't know if you guys can see it now in the camera, like I have a bit of a space somewhere in the front of my eyebrow. Now with coconut oil, all you have to do, where's that thing of mine? All you have to do, I put it in here so that I don't go like dipping my finger in this whole jar, like, because it's also used for like you can literally use it for like cooking, for frying, for baking, and for your skin and your hair. If you guys remember my natural hair video, which I'll put up here, you will see that I recommended coconut oil as like one of the things that helped me grow my hair in like the first few months of my big chop. And then, okay, so basically what you do, just dab it there, and it's very like sensitive to heat, like literally your body's heat just melts it quickly, and you just put it on your eyebrows. Be sure not to put a lot, because coconut oil is very slippery for that fact, so you'll literally just start dripping, which is the first mistake that I did with it. But then I learned. Okay, I'm trying to feel for my eyebrows, because I don't know where they are, and I don't have a mirror in front of me. And then just a little on the lips. I also use it to moisturize my lips, because my lips, after I wake up, they're very dry. I don't know why. But those are my two secret ingredients, and I just wanted to give you like a quick short video on it, so you guys can come out of your house looking snatched with your eyebrows. Now, I don't, tweeze or shape my eyebrows in any way. I just let them go any which how. Honestly, I tried threading my eyebrows by myself. It was painful. Literally took like, what do you call this, the thread, and then I did the whole thing, and then and I was like, you see, this business ain't for me. I'd rather just make them look in the same direction. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe and share it to as many people as you want. Like, don't be stingy, girl. Don't be stingy. Like, tell your girl that there's a way to make your eyebrows look fuller and longer and thicker.